and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and we are here today with day 19 of our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. And we have reached the last full week on this calendar, except for day 24, which is way up here at the very top. So excited. Ooh, and we've got another purple one. Purples are absolutely my favorite. I've loved all of them, but there is something about the purple that is near and dear to my heart. So if this is your first time joining me, thank you so much for coming along. This advent calendar is a little crystal art advent calendar, and every day makes a different ornament to go on our tree. Each of these are magnetic, so they can stick on your fridge or on top of the metallic tree that's been provided to us. It has been so much fun creating these every single day. It's extremely relaxing after a long day of work. I do data analytics during the day, so my brain is seeing numbers constantly, and this is just so calming and soothing to come home and open up one of these little gem packs and take 5 or 10 minutes to make this beautiful piece of artwork. So I am so excited. It's been forever since I've been able to sit down and do one of my crystal art or diamond art sets, and this was the perfect way to get back into it. So I'm super excited. I did purchase the Craft Buddy card set also, so I'm so excited to, I bought it for myself for Christmas, so I'll be unwrapping it, although I've already showed you a sneak peek for Christmas, so I'm trying to hold off doing them until the new year, but I will come back next year and show you some of those projects because they are super fun also. The artwork on those cards are just spectacular. So this one has 3 colors. It looks like a white, a purple, and then the gold for the very top there. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to speed this up for us so we can watch along and enjoy. I do use an electronic pen, which has suction via air, so it is, you can hear that in the background. Just sit back, relax, enjoy, and I will catch you at the end. Okay, so this ornament was actually super quick. I loved it. Oh my goodness. One of the things I love about the artwork from this company is that they have the colored background behind it, which means I don't have to fill in every single blank spot because you can see the color behind it, and that just makes it super easy and super fast. I have purchased some of the crystal artworks where it's like edge to edge and corner to corner, and those just take forever, and I love how quick and fast these are. So let's add in today, day number 19 to our advent calendar. Absolutely beautiful. So much fun. Come back. Join me again tomorrow for day 20 as we come to the end of the month. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and I'll see you tomorrow.